Another use of se is being used as a reciprocal pronoun. Unlike reflexive pronoun, in reciprocal pronoun, the object and the subject of the sentence are two different people doing the same thing to each other. And in these kind of sentences, se is translated as each other. Now let's see some examples. They kissed each other. Ellos se besaron. So here se is working as each other. Now let's see some other examples. They see each other every day. Ellos se ven cada día. We help each other in difficult times. Nos ayudamos en tiempos difíciles. Now one sentence for you guys. We looked at each other and hugged.